So, some of you saw what I did this morning. So I go outside the door now. It's like I didn't touch it. Look at this. Look at this foolishness. Look at this. First of all, the door is like covered with snow debris again. Okay, yeah, you want to slap me in the face. Look at this. Look at that. Now, just for proof's sake that I ain't crazy, got my handy dandy little tape measure. That is 4 inches in what? 3 hours. 4 inches in 3 hours. That's not nice. I mean, look at it. I mean, this is just whiteout conditions. When you talk about whiteout, this is what you consider whiteout conditions. It is heavy. Over in the apartment complexes, they got like 2 snowplow, their trucks and everything. Look, my car is covered. But, well, when I say covered, you got the piece up front and then the part in the back. And you can see even grass there. But look at how much it is up on the side of my house. And I've got to redig the place where my dogs, they're trying to go potty. My dogs need to go potty. So I've got to do more work in order for the dogs to go potty. All right, later, y'all.